Newport Beach, California. I'm on the boat. See the whales and dolphins.
All right, everybody, good afternoon. Welcome aboard the Newport Legacy. My name is Colin. I'll be driving this afternoon. On board with me as crew, we have Matt and Delaney. Matt will be your deckhand bartender throughout the trip, guys. If you need anything, that area downstairs, the galley area, is a full-service cocktail bar. Tons of different beer, tons of different cocktails. Margaritas, Mai Tais, Bloody Marys, beer on tap, tons of wine. See a menu, guys, a craft cocktail menu downstairs throughout the trip. Matt will set you guys up tons of food, tons of snacks as well down there. And Delaney is our professional photographer on board, and she'll be taking pictures throughout the entire trip, guys. And at the end of the trip, she puts together a little photo package souvenir for you guys to take home with you. So awesome having her on board. If you guys see her throughout the trip, she's wearing a Newport Legacy crew shirt. Flag her down and ask her anything about photos, guys. She's also a marine naturalist, so awesome having her on board. She knows a lot of technical stuff about the marine life out there. A few safety items we got to go over before we depart the harbor here. Adult and child life jackets under the main deck, bench style seats. Life raft second deck on the overhead. Parents keep an eye on the little ones. Are required to be with them at all times. They can't be running, no jumping at all on the second deck. No swinging from the poles, no standing on benches, tables, and chairs. Adults, no smoking, no vaping, no outside alcohol. Also, guys, in the bow or the forward part of the boat, there is a raised ledge portion there. The kids can be sitting up there or be on their knees, but they cannot be standing up there at any time. Parents, please kind of help out with that. Restrooms are down on the main deck just behind the staircase on the left and right side, and the galley bar areas on the main deck just ahead of that. Whale watching today has been pretty good. It's our second trip out this morning, so we got a lot of boats out there. We work with a lot of boats in the area. There's 12 boats in our fleet, and right now there's about 5 boats out there. So with 5 boats, in an hour's time, we can cover upwards of 65 square miles of water. So we'll all kind of separate, go different directions, communicate on the radios, on the phone. And if there's anything out there, guys, I guarantee you we'll find it for you. What you want to be looking out for once we get out there is tall blower spouts created by the Exhale, the bigger baleen whales, along with a little water that gets trapped on top of the blowholes. For any of the tooth whales or dolphin, anything like that, what you want to be looking out for is just any abnormalities on the surface of the water, any kind of white water going, any splashes, giveaways, bird life, anything like that. If you have a good pair of binoculars, you'll be able to see it from a long way away. So, and if you didn't have the chance to rent binoculars, we have a last chance binocular rental in the, downstairs at the main deck bar. Matt can help you out with that, guys. It's an awesome way to view animals, and it's the only way to find animals. There's no special dolphin tracker, whale finder, anything like that. Just good old eyeballs and binoculars. So if you want a pair, Matt can help you out with that downstairs. Lastly, guys, the sea state out there, as you guys can tell, we got light winds coming up out of the northeast, along with a little bit of south swell out there the past few days. So we'll be rolling around just a little bit if you are susceptible to being seasick. The best spot for you on board is on the main deck on the left and right sides. There's some benches out there. Talk to those people out there. See if they can get you to move if you are susceptible to being seasick. But of course, before you feel dizzy, lightheaded, nauseous, anything like that, just see Matt or Delaney as they're walking around, guys. They know a lot of tricks, and they'll get you feeling a little bit better. So, other than that, guys, we got a beautiful day out here. Sun's up, perfect whale watching weather. And get comfortable, guys. Get something to eat or drink. We got about 10 or 12 minutes when we get outside the harbor here and start looking around. Welcome aboard.
especially when it's like the deal. It's a tug and pull. I don't know, just feel happy with the person. It's like glaze over. Oh yeah. I mean, I've had issues at work that the worst, not the worst, when you tell me how to, restructure something or how to position an asset, I don't have a problem. But tell me how to put together a deal and manage it. Put my eye in stuff. Why is it okay for that? I'd rather do that.
Like, did you have experience?
She didn't have experience, but she's very bright. She's really, she has like really good problem solving skills. She also has she has the initiative. She has good ethics, which is really important. And she has a good sense of
Tuesday is so slow. Transistor radio.
Oh yeah.
But I've also had to amend, right? Like, to make contract, call somebody, reaffirm what she is doing, right? They keep her forward when she goes the extra mile, whatever is within my ability, right? To reward her. Obviously, increase of wages, I have to do it. But, I think that's not possibly the only way. Sometimes, a little bit of flexibility.
That's the other boat coming back. I like. Such light, breezy day, pretty warm, love it.
Yeah, because so because that would be part of your compensation. Like at that level, they
clear skies, super sunny out here.
We were what? Oh yeah, no, we were the 24th. I think about it, but you know, it is, yeah, but you can find yourself in a new place. Yeah, but even yeah, then the earthquake happened and then they had issued a tsunami warning. The food goes out. There was an earthquake at day 7. I